Oh, there you go. There you go. Can we get the bowl for the juice? Yep.
That was actually a living dinosaur.
A little bit.